Today I'm going to clean my air fryer. I have the 8-quart Bella Pro Series air fryer. We're going to unplug our air fryer to start with. Okay, first I'm going to remove that crisping tray. And we're going to wipe out the basket with a paper towel. I'm going to get as much of that out of there as possible. We don't want that going down our drain, clogging our pipes. Okay, I've got the warm water in the frying basket along with some Dawn dish soap. And I'm going to pull out the crisping tray. Here's our crisping tray. I'm going to use this non-abrasive scouring pad just to wipe it off real good. Now this one has these little feet. They're made of rubber and they pull right out. So I'm going to take all 4 of these out. Now, I'm going to use this washcloth to wipe it down real good. Okay, I'm going to rinse that down real good. Alright, now for the frying basket. Simply, we're going to go ahead and just simply wipe it out. Scrub it out real good. And I'll set that aside to dry. We've got one more thing to do. Got these little feet I want to wash up real good. Okay, now I've got a small drying towel. I'm going to go ahead and dry this off real good. And I've got to dry off these feet, all 4 of them. All right. 4, you have to get those lined up. They won't go in. They're still a little bit damp, but they will dry off once we turn on our air fryer. There we go. Okay, I've got our frying basket dried off too. Next, we're going to wipe out our air fryer housing. And I've just got a damp cloth. I'm just going to wipe this section out. Alright, I think we've done what we can do on cleaning it up. Now I'm just wiping off the exterior. I've got a damp cloth. Looks like new. Thank you for watching today. Now I've got a nice clean air fryer. Gotta cook something, so I'll get to it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.